Yay!
Hi, I'm Poppy. Today we will discuss about action verbs. Let's look at more than 15 most common action verbs in the English language. Part 2. And the first action verb we have on our list for the day is knitting. Knitting. Next is sewing. Sewing. Moving on, we have playing. Playing. Next is traveling. Traveling. The next action verb is shopping. Shopping. The next action verb is sitting. Sitting. And the opposite of that is another action verb, which is standing. Standing. Moving on, we have sleeping. Sleeping. The next one is walking. Walking. Let's look at the next action verb. It's running. Running. The next one is skipping. Skipping. The next one is driving. Driving. The next one is gardening. Gardening. Then we have exercising. Exercising. The next one on our list for the day is eating. Eating. And the last action verb we have on our list for the day is drinking. Drinking. And with that, it also brings us to the end of this lesson. You did a great job today. And I hope you also join us on other fun adventures by checking out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining in today for this quick lesson. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.